The APIs are the invisible engines behind everything we use, from mobile apps to automation tools. But here's the twist. Even the best APIs fail when their documentation does. We've all been there. Unclear endpoints, inconsistent parameters, missing response examples. The result? Delays, errors, and countless hours wasted reverse engineering what should have been simple. Poor documentation doesn't just annoy developers. It slows innovation across your entire organization. That's where middleware comes in. The quiet hero bringing structure and clarity back to your APIs. It automatically generates documentation, validates endpoints, and creates real-time interactive docs developers actually love. Think of it as self-updating documentation that evolves with your APIs. No manual edits required. Modern middleware does more than connect. It standardizes naming, enforces data formats, flags undocumented changes, and keeps every environment, dev, staging, and production, in sync. With any connector, your APIs don't just work. They scale predictably and securely. Documentation updates itself. Developers stay productive. And your integrations? Rock solid. Turn your API chaos into clarity. Discover how any connector helps you build APIs that are powerful and truly usable.